Have you ever noticed that some people barely touch their phones? Not because they're forcing themselves not to, not because they're unbelievably disciplined. They just don't feel the need to. Meanwhile, most of us unlock our phones without even thinking. 5 minutes becomes 30. 30 becomes an hour. And somehow, after all that scrolling, we don't even feel entertained. We just feel empty. Here's the strange part. Your phone isn't winning because it's more fun than real life. It's winning because real life has slowly become less interesting. Not overnight, little by little. The same routine, the same distractions, the same habits, until scrolling becomes the most exciting part of the day. But what if you could reverse that? What if your own life became so enjoyable that checking your phone started feeling like the boring option? Because that's exactly what we're talking about today. These aren't productivity hacks. They're not complicated routines. They're small changes that make everyday life feel more alive. By the end of this video, you'll have 10 simple secrets that can completely change the way your days feel. Let's begin. Secret 1. Stop living on autopilot. Think about yesterday. How much of it do you actually remember? Most people wake up, check their phone, eat, work, come home, watch something, sleep, then repeat. Days blur together because nothing truly captures your attention. Your brain loves novelty. When every day feels identical, it stops paying attention. That's why entire weeks can disappear without leaving a single memorable moment. So here's something simple. Every day, deliberately, do one thing differently. Take another route home. Cook something you've never tried. Read in a different place. Talk to someone new. Visit a nearby park you've ignored for years. It doesn't have to be big. Your brain isn't asking for expensive adventures. It's asking for something unexpected. Tiny moments of novelty tell your brain, hey, this day matters. Suddenly, time feels slower. Ordinary moments become memorable again. Life starts feeling richer without changing your entire lifestyle. Because excitement isn't always found in new places. Sometimes it's found in seeing familiar places differently. But even if your life becomes more interesting, there's something quietly stealing your attention every single day. Secret 2, protect your first hour. Let me ask you something. What's the first thing you do after waking up? For most people, the answer is obvious. They reach for their phone. Within minutes, they've seen bad news, someone else's success, a dozen messages, an argument online, and their brain hasn't even had a chance to wake up. Imagine inviting 100 strangers into your bedroom the moment you opened your eyes. That's basically what social media does. Your mind begins the day reacting instead of leading. Instead, give yourself one peaceful hour. No scrolling, no notifications, no endless feeds. Open the curtains, drink a glass of water, stretch, walk outside, read a few pages of a book. Write down today's 3 most important tasks. That's it. Simple. Because the first hour of your day becomes the emotional blueprint for everything that follows. If you begin with chaos, the rest of the day feels chaotic. If you begin with intention, the rest of the day becomes easier to control. You don't need a perfect morning routine. You just need one that belongs to you. And once your morning feels better, you'll notice something interesting. The work you used to avoid doesn't feel quite as difficult anymore. Which brings us to the next secret. Secret 3. Make progress feel addictive. Most people don't hate working. They hate feeling like they're getting nowhere. Think about playing a video game. Why is it so addictive? Because every few minutes, you level up, complete a mission, unlock something. Your brain constantly receives proof that you're moving forward. Real life often works the opposite way. You spend hours studying. Nothing happens. You work all afternoon. Still another mountain of tasks waiting. Your brain starts asking, why am I even doing this? So stop relying on motivation. Create visible progress. Use a notebook. Write today's tasks. Every time you finish one, Cross it off. Don't underestimate that tiny check mark. Your brain loves evidence. Every completed task tells your mind, I'm making progress. Progress creates momentum. Momentum creates motivation, and motivation makes the next task easier. Then reward yourself. Finish an hour of focused work. Go for a short walk. Make your favorite coffee. Listen to one song you love. Small rewards teach your brain that effort leads to something enjoyable. Before long, work stops feeling like punishment. It becomes another game you know how to win. And when work feels lighter, you naturally have more energy left for the rest of your life. But there's one mistake that quietly ruins that energy. It's something almost everyone avoids, and surprisingly, the answer is boredom. Secret 4. Get bored on purpose. This might sound strange, but one of the biggest reasons your phone feels so exciting is because your brain never gets a break. Think about the last time you stood in a queue, or waited for a friend, or sat on a bus. What did you do? You probably reached for your phone before you even realized it. We've trained ourselves to escape every tiny moment of boredom. But boredom isn't the enemy, it's the doorway. When your brain isn't constantly consuming, it starts creating. That's why your best ideas often appear in the shower, or during a walk, or while staring out of a window. Your mind finally has room to think. So try this. Every day, spend 10 minutes doing absolutely nothing. No phone, no music, no podcast. Just sit. At first, it'll feel uncomfortable. Your brain will beg for stimulation, ignore it. After a few minutes, something changes. Your thoughts become clearer. Ideas begin connecting. Problems that felt impossible suddenly seem manageable. Your imagination wakes up again. And here's the surprising part. After spending time with boredom, normal life becomes interesting again. A conversation feels richer. Reading feels easier. Even work becomes less painful because your brain has stopped comparing everything to endless entertainment. Boredom isn't wasting time. It's resetting your attention. And once your attention comes back, you'll realize something else has been stealing your happiness. Secret 5. Create tiny adventures. When people hear the word adventure, they imagine holidays, mountains, beaches, road trips. But real adventures don't have to cost anything. The happiest people don't wait for special occasions to enjoy life. They create small moments worth remembering. Walk through a part of your city you've never explored. Visit a cafe you've always walked past. Watch the sunrise once this week. Take a notebook to a park. Leave your phone at home for 30 minutes. Life becomes exciting when you stop expecting excitement to arrive on its own. Curiosity is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Eventually, ordinary places stop feeling ordinary. You notice details you've missed for years. The smell after rain, children laughing in the distance, the warmth of sunlight, the sound of birds you never noticed before. None of these moments appear on your phone. They're only available in real life. And once you start collecting experiences instead of scrolling, you'll realize life has been entertaining you all along. You were just looking somewhere else. But there's another habit that quietly steals the joy from those moments. Secret 6. Stop trying to be perfect. Perfection sounds like a strength, but most of the time, it's just fear wearing a nicer outfit. You want to start learning guitar, but you worry you'll be terrible. You want to post that video, but it isn't perfect. You want to write, draw, exercise, speak up, but you wait until you feel ready. Here's the problem. That day never comes. Perfection keeps moving. Every time you get closer, it takes another step away. Meanwhile, life keeps passing. The people enjoying life the most aren't the most talented. They're the ones willing to look a little silly. They laugh at their mistakes. They try things before they're ready. They care more about memories than appearances. So here's a better rule. Be proudly average. At the beginning, every expert was once a beginner. Every confident person was once awkward. Every great creator once made something terrible. The difference is they kept going. Done beats perfect. Action beats planning. Progress beats perfection. And every imperfect step makes the next one easier. Once you stop trying to impress everyone, you finally become free enough to enjoy yourself. But enjoyment doesn't only come from what you do. It also comes from who you spend your time with. Secret 7. Spend more time with people who give you energy. Pay attention to how you feel after spending time with someone. Not while you're together, after. Some people leave you feeling inspired. You go home smiling. You have new ideas. You feel lighter. Others leave you exhausted, negative, drained. Without saying anything directly, the people around you slowly shape the way you think. Spend enough time with people who complain. You'll begin noticing everything that's wrong. Spend enough time with curious, optimistic people. You'll start looking for possibilities instead of problems. Energy is contagious, so choose your environment carefully. Call the friend who makes you laugh. Spend time with people who encourage your ideas. Have conversations that leave you excited about tomorrow. Life feels much more fun when you're surrounded by people who remind you that it can be. Because sometimes the fastest way to change your life is to change who you're experiencing it with. But even if you've found great people, there's one final habit that determines whether life feels exciting or whether it slips past without you noticing. Secret 8. Give yourself something to look forward to. Think back to when you were a kid. Maybe it was your birthday, a school trip, a weekend with your cousins. Whatever it was. The excitement didn't start on the day itself. It started days before. You'd think about it while brushing your teeth, while sitting in class, while trying to fall asleep. That anticipation made ordinary days feel brighter. Somewhere along the way, most adults stopped creating things to look forward to. Life became one long checklist. Work, sleep, repeat. No wonder every week feels the same. So start creating little events for yourself. Plan a movie night on Friday. Choose one cafe you've always wanted to visit. Learn a recipe this weekend. Go for a sunset walk. Read a new book every month. It doesn't matter what it is. It only matters that your future contains moments you're excited to reach. Because happiness isn't only about enjoying today. Sometimes it's about knowing tomorrow holds something worth waiting for. And once you start living that way, you'll notice you spend less time escaping your life because you're actually looking forward to it. Secret 9. Stop comparing your life to everyone else's comparison is one of the fastest ways to ruin a perfectly good day. You wake up feeling fine. Then you open social media. Someone bought a new car. Someone started a business. Someone traveled to another country. Someone your age seems to have everything figured out. Suddenly, your own life feels smaller. But here's what you're really comparing: your everyday reality against someone else's highlight reel. You see the celebration, not the failures. The holiday, not the overtime. The smile, not the anxiety behind it. It's an unfair comparison from the very beginning. Instead of looking sideways, look backwards. Compare yourself to the person you were 6 months ago. Have you become kinder, more disciplined, more confident? Have you learned something new? Handled situations that used to overwhelm you? That's real progress. Life isn't a race with strangers. It's a conversation between who you were and who you're becoming. The less time you spend measuring someone else's success, the more time you have building your own. And that's where real confidence comes from. Not from being better than everyone else, but from becoming better than yesterday's version of you. Secret 10. Protect the moments that make you feel alive. At the end of your life, you probably won't remember the hundreds of hours you spent scrolling. You'll remember the late-night conversations, the road trips, the laughter that made your stomach hurt, the walks that cleared your mind. the mornings when everything felt peaceful. Those are the moments that become your life, not because they were extraordinary, but because you were fully present. So, ask yourself one question. When was the last time I completely forgot about my phone because I was enjoying real life? If you can't remember, that's your sign. Create more of those moments. Eat dinner without a screen, watch the sunset, play a game with your family, call an old friend, learn something simply because it fascinates you, dance while making dinner, take photos less often, and experience moments more often. The goal isn't to quit technology. The goal is to build a life that's simply more interesting than what's happening on your screen. Because the truth is, your phone was never the problem. It was just filling a space that real life had stopped filling. Once your days become full of curiosity, progress, good people, small adventures, and moments worth remembering, scrolling loses its power. Not because you're forcing yourself to stop, but because, for the first time in a long time, you have something better to do. Conclusion. A fun life isn't built in one dramatic moment. It's built through small choices repeated every single day. Choosing curiosity over comfort, presence over distraction, progress over perfection, real experiences over endless scrolling. You don't need to change your entire life overnight. Just pick one secret from this video. Try it today, then add another tomorrow. Because the goal isn't to escape your life. The goal is to create a life you don't want to escape from. If this video helped you, subscribe. There are plenty more ideas coming that can help you build a happier, calmer, and more meaningful life. Until next time, take care.